Good morning, everyone. It is 11:40 a.m. and I'm just gonna make a 5 to 10 minute video on what I'm seeing this morning here in the market. It looks like we had a London distribution followed by, it looks like it hit the Tokyo low, then rejected it, swept, right? And then it distributed here. So then we can go over to the footprint and see, okay, where did the sellers appear? Right? We had very thin auction down here, then it reversed up, then sellers appeared here at 76.3. You can see 95K versus 44K in favor of sellers. That's the 4 hour. Let's go over to the daily, right? We're starting to see the distribution. It came up here and then sellers got aggressive. 200K versus 100. What is that? 117 versus 34, 45 versus 5. And we have a minus 134 delta. So this is distributive, right? There's a lot of everything about this looks like distribution. Let's go to the 15 minute. Structurally, it bottomed, okay, but then what happened? It tried to jump above the creek, re-entered, failed, and this is what looks like the last point of supply in distribution, right? If it distributes, then where are we going to go from here, right? What is the downside? Um, for that, we need to go over to my daily, and we can see that, boom, it's going to revisit this structure, $30 to $40 drop. This is a better chart for that. Boom. More like 20 to 30, I would say. 20 to $30 downside from here. If sellers can press, otherwise, I just don't see bulls doing anything here. Momentum's starting to flip. Volatility has been expanding, which is exactly what you want to see at the beginning if you're looking for distribution. And yeah, everything about the footprint is bearish. It started out as seller absorption, right? You saw a green result with negative delta, and it has completely flipped. We know where the sellers are at here, and the entropy is low, so they should be able to distribute it at least on a 15-minute time frame. I don't think the entropy is low yet. We can see high entropy on the daily, so we may get some chop around here. I don't think we're gonna I don't think we're gonna just, dump. It could be some chopping, but yeah, I think that's all for this video. Again, I'm just gonna keep it short here and help you understand what is happening, right? You have to understand structure and auction analysis. You need to understand where the buyers and sellers are in the context of the structure. And you have to understand, is the volatility expanding? Is momentum? What's entropy doing? What's momentum doing? And how does the auction look? Okay, that's going to be all for this video. Thanks for watching.